Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are unlocking one of TradingView's most powerful tools, and that is the SSL Hybrid Indicator. Okay, there's the SSL Hybrid Indicator. Okay, this is an indicator that aims to show you exactly how to get strong buy and sell trading signals. Okay, let's just get straight into it. If you're tired of messy charts and second guessing your trades, the SSL Hybrid could be the clean solution that you have been looking for. It is simple, visual, and highly customizable. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is this indicator that is looking like, a foreign entity? Well, the SSL Hybrid Indicator is a full package trading tool. At its core, it's based on moving averages that change color based on bullish or bearish momentum. Okay, but what makes it special is the hybrid system. All right, let's just quickly go to the settings for this indicator, and you can see the input. Show baseline, show SSL1, show ATL band. You have the ATL period, the ATL multi. You can actually modify these settings according to your taste. For the ATL smoothing, you can decide to select which of the moving averages that you want to use. You can see the baseline type, the baseline length, continuation type, and all of that. Okay, so these options for baseline filters, the smoothing techniques, and even momentum based color changes, there are some of the things that makes this this indicator special. Basically the hybrid system, right? You can see other options under the inputs. You can see all these things. They are all part of the settings of the indicator. So this is quite a unique hybrid indicator that you can modify according to your trading style. Okay, so basically when using this indicator, the blue color, as you would expect, represent buy signals, bullish momentum, bullish trend, and all of that. And the red color represents sell signals, bearish momentum, bearish trends. So when you have the color of the candlesticks blue, and above the blue lines, it shows bullish momentum. When the candlestick climbs above the blue lines, it's a signal to enter a buy trade. So if you enter a buy trade around here, you can set your stop loss below the line, below the moving average line, and your take profit can be around resistance zones, or you can wait for when the candlestick color changes back to red. When the candlestick color changes to red, it shows that the bullish momentum is getting weak. Okay, not when it changes to gray. All right, because you can see it kind of changed to gray here, but the trend was not over. So I didn't say when it changed to gray, I say when it changed to red. Okay, so here it changed to red. So if you're in a buy trade, you can consider exiting after it changed to red, or when the line itself changes to red. On the other hand, if you're in a sell trade, your sell signal can be when the candlestick drops below the line and the line is red in color. You can enter your sell, stop loss above the line, the moving average line, and then your take profit can either be maybe around key support zones, or when the candlestick color changes to blue, or the line itself changes back to blue. Okay, so one of the advantages of the SSL hybrid is how clearly it marks trend changes. In fast moving markets like Forex, crypto, or even stocks, you don't want to be caught guessing when to get in or get out of your trades. So using the SSL hybrid helps you stick to the trend and avoid emotional decisions. It's perfect for scalping, day trading, or even swing trading if you adjust the settings properly. Now, here is how you get it on your chart. Okay, like I already did, or like you saw me do at the beginning of the video. Once you go to your trading view, come to indicators, just search for the SSL hybrid. Okay, this one is not it's not like some of those indicators that are very complicated to find. So this one is, it seems like it doesn't really have so much variations. Okay, you can see the number of the SSL hybrid are limited, so you can just go with this first one. All right, so once you add it to your chart, then you can open the settings and you can tweak the settings according to your trading style. Okay, for scalping, you want faster moving averages. You want faster moving averages for scalping. And then for swing trading, you can use you can use slower moving averages. Okay, if you're scalping, you can decide to use shorter periods, whether for your SSL baseline length and all these values here, your ATL period and the rest of them. You can decide to use smaller numbers. If you are scalping for all of them, you can decide to use smaller numbers. But then if you are swing trading, slower settings are better for swing trading. And what does slower settings mean? You can increase the values for your swing trading. You can increase the values, but it doesn't mean that you should increase it to an unreasonable number. You can actually maybe take this, maybe by 5 numbers difference, or perhaps this, basically depending on your trading style. All right, it's your trading style that is going to determine how you set the indicators. Okay, now using this indicator, we have already discussed how to spot your buy signals and your sell signals. Okay, it's very straightforward, but you can also decide to combine the indicator with other tools for increased accuracy. You can decide to add other tools for confirmation. For example, maybe adding an RSI for the purpose of divergence, or maybe paying attention, very close attention to your support and resistance zones marked on the chart. Right, imagine getting a sell signal around the resistance zone while the RSI is coming down from overbought territory. That's going to add more confidence in that trade, right? Or imagine getting a buy signal around a support zone and RSI is just coming out from the oversold territory. That's going to add more confidence in that trade. So it's good to have confluence when you want to execute a trade. Also, pay attention to your candlestick patterns. Watch out for bullish candlestick patterns when you are getting a buy signal. Watch out for bearish candlestick patterns when you are getting a sell signal. Okay, so basically the SSL hybrid indicator on TradingView is a powerful weapon for getting powerful buy and sell trading signals. But like any tool, it works best when you understand its strengths and combine it with smart trading practices. If you learned something valuable in this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next game-changing strategy. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.